Here's the University of South Alabama. There's Big Creek Lake, and this thing is coming straight for Mobile. There's no getting around this thing. It's coming, and we are seeing it bending out a little bit right through here. So when a thunderstorm bends out, it can create stronger winds. And remember, our winds are sustained right now at the top of the hour at 30 miles an hour at Mobile Regional Airport. It's going to increase along this line. And meteorologist Michael White is advancing this line forward across Mobile County, and we're thinking Citronelle about 5 minutes away. It's out over the Escatawpa River right now. It won't be long. It'll be heading in your direction. The Fairhope area and Bay Minette, not far away either. Right now about 38 minutes away from Bay Minette as the squall line moves across. So anywhere from Grand Bay to Wilmer and all the way up to Citronelle and even all the way up into Washington County, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning, and there's possibly we could get some wind damage along this line. I mean, the winds ahead of it are already 30 miles an hour sustained, and won't take a whole lot more than that to get those gusts in excess of 57 miles an hour. And you see how this is driving the water up along the causeway. We do have special marine warnings up for the coastal waters. Today would be about the worst day possible to head out boating. Molino, Jay, and Bruton, this area here, mainly in Santa Rosa County, under tornado warning right now. And our rotation areas are working up towards Chumuckla and tracking to the north, and they're going to be crossing the Florida line here. And I know it can be a little confusing because we have two counties that are Escambia counties that are right next to each other in two different states. Escambia County, Florida, and then Escambia County, Alabama. Escambia County, Florida, that's where Pensacola is, and it extends all the way up to Century. Escambia County, Alabama is Flomaton, Bruton, this area here. So just anywhere in here. The Foshee Road area, Pollard, Flomaton, Bruton, all under a tornado warning right now. And fortunately, at that point, when this moved across, okay, there's nothing on radar right here, and you can see our Landsat underlay there, I guess would be the best way to describe it. And that is the Escambia River right there. And there is hardly anything right there. So it's very possible that this moved through a very, very rural area, perhaps an uninhabited area. And Michael's looking at it here as well using one of our dual pole products. And this is moving away from Quintet, between Quintet and Chumuckla. And this is a very low, very swampy area right here over the Escambia River area. So fortunately, what looks like one of our confirmed tornadoes today touched down in a very, very remote region. However, we've got to go back and look and see, did this really impact anybody or not? Hopefully it stayed over a very, very rural area where there aren't any houses, aren't any homes. But as you can see, we did have a tornado on the ground today in Santa Rosa County. Michael?